I'm on my way to Caloocan. So I just pick up this one. Probably the video gonna be split into a few weeks. So I figure out I'm on Ezra already. Better go to Caloocan, a few kilometers away, and then coming back later. So I don't have to come back. I wanted to go to Motostrada for a very long time. But when I work, it's a bit tricky to go there and come back in the afternoon. So I figured that today I have time. We're not going to Motostrada with another bike from I go to, who is that? Whole kernel corn. I just want to hold pictures. Who's that? Marianne Riviera Dente. I don't know. They call them. Nice. I'll buy the corn because of you. So I figured out I'll go to Motostrada and have a look at the new showroom they have. They finally opened. It's been a long time they've been planning to open. I know it takes time with refurbishment and everything, you know. It's a nightmare, especially in the Philippines. But they finally opened, so I just might as well go and check it out, ask questions and things like that. And then yeah, we see from this. What do you want to? Very close to me. Here we go. Let me get the full behind. Motostrada. Here we go. Where can I park? Here? How much is this one?
169.
169.
I can only run the engine for a few seconds. Okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Just to hear the noise. Thank you.
Do you want to video
The gauge?
I will turn it off first, and so you can see how it works.
Sure.
So it's a keyless feature. So opening the gauge, the fuel tank, just press a button, and if you want to fill up the tank, and also the seat.
So he has ABS, yeah?
Yeah.
Front and rear? Thank you. Need to test ride?
We don't have the test unit, and also we don't allow test ride.
Okay.
We will be having an event. We will inform our followers on Facebook and Instagram. We will schedule maybe one event somewhere in maybe in Batangas or in Bar.
Okay.
We can have a test ride there.
How about the media unit? You get any media unit?
Media unit.
How much is this one?
99,000, sir.
99.
Yes.
This one?
89,000. Where are you from?
France. How much are those?
61,900. This one is 45,900.
45 for this one.
45,800. Are you here from vacation? 650M.
How much is this one?
325,000.
This one is the CF
Yes.
209.
No, 215.
215. This one is
197,000.
97. This one the same? Same.
Yes, yes.
How much is this one?
78,000, sir. With 125 cc.
127. You have a lot of electric, no?
Yes.
Big range. How much is this one?
130,000.
130. How much is this one?
This one, sir, is 46,800. And this one, 115,000.
115.
Yes. This one, 89,000. How many years?
So basically I asked him to changing battery. Motostrada, it's a nice place and the place look good. So I had to buy Maganda. She was very informative. She was very good. You know what? I have to say, the salespeople in Motostrada, when I go to Suzuki branch or when I go to this one was the first time, but I've been to Suzuki twice, and I have to say the salespeople are very nice and they're very informative. You can ask them questions, they they will know what they're talking about. She knew all the price, and I asked her a few more questions off camera about the bike. I didn't include everything, and she knew her job, you know what I mean. Plus she's very Maganda. So it was nice. It was very nice to see. They don't have unit to test ride. They don't have media unit, or I think they only use one media to review the unit, so they won't, which is fine, if you don't want to do deal, if you don't want to land your motorcycle, don't land, keep your motorcycle, diba? So yeah, the thing quite nice. I try to get you guys a lot of price, so you won't ask me the question. Don't ask me about deposit, down payment and things like that. I have no idea. But I try to get a lot of price for you. And yeah, I think they're opening a cafe also. I'm not sure. The look of it, they're probably gonna open a cafe soon, or it's open already, I don't know. Anyway, I try to cover the 300cc because that's the bike that I cover when I went to Suzuki. But when I check in Suzuki, that's the one when I lose my file on my GoPro, so I couldn't upload the video. But the guy was very informative. That 300cc bike is nice. You got ABS, front and rear. You can even turn off the ABS if you want. It's 170,000 pesos. Yes, it's a 300cc. You don't go on motorway with it, on highway. But at the same time, if you're like me and you don't give a fuck about going on a motorway, then you can buy it, and have fun in town. What you really want from a motorcycle, for me, is the torque, you know what I mean? So if it's a 300cc as a daily commuter, it would be great, right? That's probably a good daily commuter actually, the 300cc, 310cc motorcycle. I don't know the name. I try to flash it here. So yeah, it was a great place. The only thing, Motostrada, they ask you really they tell you to keep your helmet outside, which is annoying for me. I wanted to carry my helmet with me, so yeah, that's one of the things. But the SKR, actually, the SKR 250, the cafe racer, look quite good. You can actually easily turn it into a scrambler, so that looked good. That was one of the bikes that I was thinking of buying actually, and the Vortex 200, but they're not fuel injected, they're carburetor. That's why I didn't buy them. Instead, I have my eyes on the CB150 anyway. So yeah, Motostrada, thanks. I won't be testing your media unit anytime soon, I'm sure of this. And the girl in Motostrada was very nice. I forgot her name. I tried to get her name from the video, but I flashed her name, Magenda. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna have fun with that. Oh, where I'm going? I'm sorry.